In this video, let's talk about the recommended wheel spacer size for your Porsche Cayenne.
Proper Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers make sure your wheels and tires have enough space, so that nothing rubs up against the fenders, brakes, or other suspension parts. The perfect size of Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers may differ per version. For example, the recommended spacer size for a Porsche Cayenne is front 12mm and rear 25mm. In other words, these spacers provide a perfect first stance. The Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers are standard components for fixing the wrong offset issues. Getting the wrong offset can actually reduce a vehicle's stability on the road. By creating the offset, spacers improve driving safety. For those who have a limited budget, installing Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers to fit the wheels will be a good idea. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are further more than 66 SGSTV test report. All BONOSS Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers package come complete with all necessary hardware, including ISO grade 12.9 wheel bolts to fit your vehicle. All BONOSS Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience.
If you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.